Alrighty, I'm heading to a buddy's place today. He said, can you help me out with a couple of rocks? And I gotta tell you, these rocks look like they were only, I don't know, about 12 inches on diameter, but he didn't put anything beside it to put it in perspective, so I have no idea how big they are, but I'm gonna take a few things along. My secret weapon for pulling out rocks is just a set of come-alongs and chain. Chain is kind of the secret weapon because chain doesn't stretch, and it also doesn't slip on a rock. If it tries to turn, it just seems to bite, so usually I have pretty good luck with that, so we'll see how this happens today. Also take my little digger here, my little clamshell digger, because you got to get the suction away from the side of the rocks. Clay and mud and whatever has to be gone, and also just a cheap set of cable pullers, some people call them come-alongs. Well, here we go. Little rock. I'll insert the photo here so you can see how kind of big or small that rock looked, and yeah, check this out. Today's job is helping somebody get a rock out of their garden. Not that rock, this rock. Ooh, look at that, a big bad boy. And this little trick's worked over the years. Come along, chain, I'll use rope. It just stretches. So there we go. See, we get that baby out of the ground. In this garden, you can plant garlic all day long. There's his new home, happily in the woods. Now we're getting greedy. This one's twice as big. Twice. It's quite the crater.
Looks like a bomb head.
Woo! Yeah, when you get two big rocks like that, you got to get them out because they'll start having babies. Look, they got 3 of them on the go already. There they are, happily together once again. That's a big, big rock.